Almost to the end of our hike. Turn around and go back, but just an incredible view. Man, I say the word incredible a lot. Maybe I need to find a new adjective. Awesome. Believe it or not, it's June 16th, Father's Day, and it's freezing out here. But we're getting ready to do a little hike in Grand Tetons. We're standing at Jenny Lake.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
And you can see the mountains behind us.
It's so beautiful. My Texas boy's about to freeze to death.
I know, it's cold. There's a bear in that tree right there. Hidden Falls.
Never get tired of these waterfalls.
And we walked 3.5 miles so far to get here.
We saw a bear.
We did see a bear. We did just climb that.
On the outside.
We're not going that high,
But we were on the outside.
but we are going around the next bend. Inspiration Point, 17,200 feet elevation. We're in Grand Tetons National Park, and we've been walking for about 3 hours, I think. I don't know how many miles. Mainly we've been coming up the mountain. As you can see, we're in Grand Tetons. There's the Grand Tetons. What more can be said? They are grand. And we're on the Cascade. We did the Hidden Falls and then continued on to Inspiration Point. Now we're in Cascade Canyon. We'll see how far we go before we go back. Many years ago, Bill Gaither and Gloria Gaither wrote a song called There's Something About a Mountain That Reaches for the Sky, that speaks of things eternal and a hope that never dies. I always loved the song, and when you see a mountain like that one behind me, you know why they would write it. We've been walking a long while this morning, but look at that view. This is a steep path. Falls, Idaho, you can actually get on that bridge and base jump with a parachute and land right there, or possibly land in the water. But we're not going to jump today. I don't care how big our parachute might be, we're not doing it. There is a jumper getting ready to parachute off the bridge. There he goes. Utah, Nevada, Idaho, Lori, Dana, Jim. Behind me is the Snake River at Three Island Crossing, where the Oregon Trail could cross the Snake River on their way to, I think, Fort Boise, or I should say Boise. That's one of the islands. And this was the pull-out point after crossing. So eventually, about 1850, they put in a ferry, and I guess it was based on a pulley system. And this is where it would cross the river. They could put wagons and cattle and everything on it. They would ferry you across the Snake River.
Mark is rock climbing up to
Climbed almost up to it. Man. Looks like you could just push it over. And here comes Lori. She's coming down the mountain. The last remaining Blockbuster. We're gonna go in.
I think I have stock in this company with all the overdue videos we ever spent.
We're in Bend, Oregon. We're climbing a lava butte or lava cone. That's the road we started on way down there. We've been walking up this mountain. We're almost there. We are at Crater Lake. You can't describe it, and you're not prepared for it when you walk over the ridge and get the first glimpse. It is just breathtaking. We made it to the level of the lake, Crater Lake. They're fishing. Okay, we are going to try some whale watching. We'll see what happens.
We are about to set sail for hopefully some big old humpback whales.
Well, we'll see. We're on the boat.
Looking right straight inshore here. There she blows.
Standing at Devil's Churn. The Oregon coast. We're at the Tillamook Creamery. Did the cheese tour. Now we're having some ice cream. Peaches and cream, white chocolate raspberry, chocolate chip cookie dough. And I think that's just chocolate chip. Is it good?
Yeah, really good.